And thanks to the Guangchong campaign, new houses are rising at an unprecedented pace for families affected by recent floods, Dylan.
Right, and continuing with the stories on recovery and renewed hope from the Central Highlands to the south, the effort is bridging tangible relief to communities hit hardest by extreme weather. In Lam Dong Province, many residents are now looking forward to moving into safe, permanent homes, and this is a crucial step toward stabilizing their lives and rebuilding after months of uncertainty and loss.
This house in Duran commune was left in ruins by floodwaters. Just 2 weeks later, a new home now stands on the same foundation, a pace of reconstructions, and has surprised local residents.
The progress is incredibly fast, much faster than we expected. We're truly happy and grateful for the authorities, the soldiers, and everyone who supported us.
The soldiers worked very quickly and with great dedication, even at night. The foundation is solid and carefully built. It's stronger than many houses around here.
Duran commune was one of the hardest hit areas in Lam Dong Province. In Lam Tuyen 2 hamlet, 4 households are receiving newly built homes, each worth around $4,544. Military units transported soil, reinforced foundations, and poured concrete to ensure safety and durability.
The foundation work is complete. Once the concrete reaches sufficient strength in the next 2 days, we will install the upper structure. The house is expected to be ready for use within 5 to 7 days.
Beyond materials and machinery, the soldiers have brought reassurance and stability to flood-affected families. These new homes are not only places to live, but symbols of resilience and of the enduring bond between the people and the armed forces, always present where help is needed most.